Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming Python 3.10 or newer, creating and activating a virtual environment, then installing the OpenAI package. This avoids dependency conflicts. Next, you export your API key into OpenAI API KEY so code never hardcodes secrets. Once done, decide on the model and temperature values. This controls creativity versus determinism, and sketch the prompt template you will pass. Make sure to test interactively in a REPL so you have immediate feedback before writing longer scripts. You import OS and the OpenAI client, then call OS. Getenv to fetch OpenAI API KEY and raise a clear error if absent. This prevents silent failures. Then construct the request payload. Specify model, prompt, max tokens, temperature, and stop sequences to control output length and behavior. If you expect many calls, switch to the async client or maintain a single session to reuse connections. This reduces latency and rate limit pressure. Also log requests and responses minimally for debugging, while avoiding sensitive data. You finalize by cleaning model outputs, trim whitespace, validate structure, and enforce length limits so downstream code remains robust. If you hit rate limits or 429 errors, implement exponential backoff with jitter and capped retries to recover gracefully. This prevents cascading failures. Make sure to add unit tests for edge case prompts and to log request ID and sanitized inputs for reproduction. If something breaks, check API key, network, and quotas first. Those are the most common culprits and easiest to fix.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.